what you want, you got to get it. And the problem will get real dready. Sing. What reggae music really reached people growing up in California when I was young? Definitely the Wailers, Bob Marley and the Wailers, Peter Tosh, Gregory Isaacs. Also, Pass the Dutchie on the left-hand side. That song was big in the neighborhood. We didn't even know what they was talking about. We thought they was talking about passing the weed on the left-hand side, but come to find out they was talking about food and not having nothing to eat, you know what I'm saying? But that just shows you that we wasn't even paying attention to the message. We was more into the groove and the way it made us feel, and, you know. So, you know, their music just felt so good to us because it represented, you know, where they came from. And I guess their struggle was our struggle. Certain elements of reggae I would hear, whether, you know, I had some OG homies that had their system and they be playing gangster music and all of a sudden some reggae come on, like, damn, that shit banging in there, what is that? Or, you know, I go by, you know, one of my friend's house and they may be, you know, they're vibing, maybe playing some Jamaican music or some reggae music. I don't think it's a challenge. I think my people with me. You know what I'm saying? I don't know about you, but my people's with me. You hear me? They move when I move. You know what I'm saying? It's just like that. It's not a disconnection. We connected. Yeah, they about what I'm about because I have never led them wrong. You know what I'm saying? I've always had that hand-to-hand relationship where they could touch me. I was never, even when I came out and they said I was ranked 1 and the greatest of all time, I was in the hood. I was touchable, you know what I'm saying? I was one that could be reached, you know, like AT&T, reach out and touch someone.
Snoop, he has a real serious appreciation for reggae music. He knows what's good and what moves him, and when we make stuff with Major Lazer, like, we're always, like, this car alarm is exciting to me, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'll fuck with this shit. And when he goes out, man, I never seen Pandemonium. Like, I've been to Jamaica with a bunch of big artists. I never seen Pandemonium like what he brings. Like, people are insane for him, man, out there.
One thing's for sure, the Rasta man puts the right thing in his body to keep him growing and keep him strong and keep his mind sharp and keep him knowledgeable and conversational in the latter parts of his life when he becomes an elder, where he's still strong and able to project the message and pass it down to people like myself. If you put the right things into yourself, which the Rasta man is teaching me, it helps me to be here and to be wise while I'm getting older, and my body to not deteriorate but to constantly, you know, regenerate. RJet.com, you know what it is, Snoop Lion.